Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about break statement. So a break statement is used to exit a loop, even if the loop's condition is still true. It is useful when we want to stop the loop based on certain conditions. So let me illustrate it with an example. We would like to stop the loop when the number equals 5, okay? So we are going to have a for loop. It is going to iterate over I in the range 1 to 10, and we are having the colon here, and we are having one if statement. So if I equals 5, break. If I equals 5, break. Otherwise, print I. Okay, so when I run this code, it is printing 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let me illustrate what's happening here. So I equals 1 in the first time, and it checks to see 1 equals 5. No. So when I say no, it is not going to break because it's not going to enter this part of the if condition. So this is the if condition. This is the statement that is going to be executed if this condition is true. So in the first run, I equals 1. 1 equals to 5? No. Therefore, it is not going to do anything here, and it is going to jump here and print 1 in the output for us. Okay, so print 1. Then I'm having I equal 2. It checks to see 2 equals 5. No, so print 2. I 3, print 3 because 3 is not equal to 5. And I equals 4, print 4. However, when I equals 5, it checks here. 5 equals 5. Yes? Yeah, that is true. So when 5 equals 5, it is going to execute this part of the code. So it is going to break. When it breaks, it means that it exits this for loop. Okay, so it is going to exit this part and it is going to come here where we have nothing more to execute. So this is why when I equals 5, it is not printing anything for us because this print comes after the break. But if this print comes before the break, it is going to also print the 5 for us. But it is now, let me put it here. So when I put the print here and I run the code, you see that 5 is also printed because when I equals 5, it is going to first print 5 and then checks to see if 5 equals to 5, and then it is going to break. Okay, so it's important for you to know where to put the break and how the output of the program could be different based on where you're putting the break. So when I have the break before the print, when I equals 5, it is not going to print 5. But when the print is before the if condition, it is first going to print 5, then break the loop. So it is not going to go for the I equals 6, 7, 8, and 9 because this loop was supposed to go from 1 to 9. I'm saying 1 to 9 because the endpoint is exclusive, so 10 is not going to be considered. It is going to go from 1 to 9. So it is when we are having I equal 5, it is breaking, so it is exiting the loop. Therefore, I equals to 6, 7, 8, and 9 are not executed here. Okay? So this is how we can use the break statement. When certain conditions are met, we can have the break and exit the loops. Thank you for watching.